Hello everyone, my name is Aarti and you are watching HW News. A Supreme Court bench of Justices K.M. Joseph and B.V. Nagarathna had harsh words to say on the role of the state in taking action against incidents of hate speech. The bench was hearing a petition asking for contempt of court action against the Maharashtra government over their alleged failure to act against hate speeches during rallies. The petition alleged that the state government was ignoring the Supreme Court's own directions when dealing with processions of Sakal Hindu Samaj. The Supreme Court bench had also asked authorities to take relevant action against proponents of hate speech without waiting for a complaint to be filed. Now, the Supreme Court on Wednesday repeated its concerns over failure of authorities to take prompt action against instances of hate speech. It said, and I quote, "The state is impotent. State is powerless. It does not act in time. Why do we have a state at all if it is remaining silent?" In a very stringent words, Justice K.M. Joseph aired his anguish during the hearing. Yesterday, Advocate Mr. Nizam Pasha, appearing for the petitioner, had apprised the court that the contempt petition has been filed based on a news article published in the Indian Express, which mentioned that 50 such rallies spurring hate have taken place across Maharashtra in the last 4 months. Hate speeches will end the moment politics and religion are segregated, the bench observed. When politicians stop using religion, all this will stop. We have said in our recent verdict also that mixing politics with religion is dangerous for democracy, Justice Joseph said. He also added that everyday fringe elements are making speeches to vilify others, including on TV and public forums. Citing the examples of speeches of Jawaharlal Nehru, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Justice Nagarathna said, "Where are we going? We had orators like Nehru and Vajpayee. People from rural areas used to come to listen to them. Now fringe elements from all the sides are making these statements and we are now asked to take contempt action against these people. State is impotent. It does not act in time. If you want us to react, we will say. Why do we have a state?" Justice Joseph said. Now, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta in his submission said that the petitioner should add some more hate speeches made in Tamil Nadu and Kerala to the case as well. He said, "Leader of the DMK party says that if you want equality, you should butcher all the Brahmins." The Solicitor General said, just because it is said by someone famous, a hate speech cannot be pardoned. Now, he also mentioned Sar Tan Se Juda slogans given after Nupur Sharma's comments and PFI rallies. He also wanted to play a clip of the video in the court, but the judges did not give permission for that. Justice Joseph said that hate is a vicious circle and reminded that the state will have to initiate action, as every action will have an opposite reaction. Now, this particular statement of his is also causing a lot of backlash. Well, Justice K.M. Joseph further also added that we are following the constitution and orders in every case are bricks in the structure of rule of law. We are hearing the contempt petition because states are not taking action in time. This is because the state has become impotent, powerless, and does not act in time. Why should we have a state at all if it is silent? Now, Additional Solicitor General of India, Mr. S.V. Raju, appearing for the state, requested the bench to grant him time to seek definite instructions in the present application. The bench asked him to file a written response in this regard. Accordingly, the matter has been stood over to 28th of April 2014. Now, this outfit in question here is Sakal Hindu Samaj, which is holding public rallies across the state of Maharashtra from November, when it began its string of public meetings against religious conversion and love jihad. Now, the Sakal Hindu Samaj has covered more than 20 of the state's 36 districts. A loose conglomeration, the Samaj includes right-wing outfits such as VHP, Bajrang Dal, Hindu Janajagriti Samiti, Hindu Pratishthan, Durga Vahini, Vishwa Shri Ram Sena, and Sanatan Sanstha. With several of these outfits linked to the RSS, its rallies, which have drawn accusations of hate speech, have seen little to no intervention from the Shinde Sena and BJP government in the state. The usual offenders in terms of hate speech, suspended BJP MLA T. Raja Singh and Kalicharan Maharaj, etc., have frequently been spotted and giving hate speeches at these rallies. Well, tell us what your thoughts are in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.